It is just a nuclear bomb waiting to blow up. This could have a gargantuan squeeze. Hey guys, welcome to DreamCoin, where we show you how to invest for a better tomorrow. My name's Tyler, and we're going to be doing a quick update on MRIN because it had a huge price action jump today, just like I expected it was going to see, but this wasn't even off of a short squeeze. In fact, more shorts are in this now than were in the last week, and we are up to over 200% short interest at the time of me doing this video. So before we get into the Ortex data and do some predictions of where we're going with that, I'm going to show you the price action going on. So this was yesterday, June 30th, where they had a bottom of around 1050, and then right at open for MRIN, it just screamed and hit a high that was about 1995, and I had predicted a high of about $20 to $25 if this had good price action and volume. If we get anywhere near close to the volume we've had the last 2 days, if not more, this is just going to be insane for if it can get back to retesting the similar highs that it had. If we can get to at least $15 on MRIN before shorts start covering, we could be seeing a massive upside to over $25 to $30 minimum. We had about 165 million volume today, which is 3 times as much as it was yesterday, and it was only 5 cents off my target without even hitting a short squeeze. So with this closing up here at $15.04, this puts a lot of shorts underwater. And I saw a graphic going around on social media that's going to be a little outdated now with today's price action, but it'll be a good indication of where we could be going for a short squeeze. This is a quick visualization somebody had put together on social media over the last couple days, and basically they collected data from Ortex for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for MRIN's short volume, and basically it's come to the consensus that over 7 million of the shorts needed $5 to $750 to break even. We are up double from both of those right now, and that doesn't even count any shorts that have bought in from $15 under for their strike price. As we look at the Ortex data now, today after market on Thursday, July 1st, it is over 200% short interest. It has gone up significantly since yesterday. Only 26,000 shares were returned from being borrowed today, and another 1.48 million shares were borrowed today, leaving a surplus of 1.45 million shares being borrowed on the market. We're also seeing where the cost to borrow is as high as 420% right now, and the average is 364%. And even as we look on platforms over here like Webull, they have a maintenance requirement of 300% on the stock right now, with a estimated borrow rate over 100%. Specifically on Webull, it's 109.60%. And these are huge, just astronomical numbers that keep growing. And this is going to become a bubble that becomes very destructive if the volume stays like this with the buys that are coming in. If we look at the inflow and outflow here, the inflow of buys is beating the outflow on large, medium, and small orders, and it's up almost 100 million in US dollars in difference today, which is very bullish even with the aftermarket drop off. If you look at the volume down here, it was huge during the market, and then after market it's dropped off entirely, and so that's why the price has come down a little bit after hours. I'm not concerned about the after hour drop because this is more low float consolidation that we talked about in my previous videos, and this is very good for going into tomorrow. Now, as we analyze the price action, I am going to be giving you a bull and a bear case so you can know both your downside and your upside potentially based on the price that you bought in at. Right now I'm seeing a few levels of support. This main support is going to be up here around $14. The next one I'm going to be seeing is around $13 here, where it gapped up after halting this morning. Stronger support going to be around $10.50, and the very baseline support being $8.33. So if this gets severely sold off for some reason, we could be seeing it go down to $10 to $8 in a channel. So if you're looking to get in, this could possibly be a place to go. But a big bull upside is if this gets more volume buying even without without shorts covering, this could get violent and get to 20 without even shorts covering. If we do get shorts covering, this is for sure seeing over $20 to $25. There's just so much shorting going on in this stock with how low the float is and how much attention it's getting that it is just a nuclear bomb waiting to blow up. This could have a gargantuan squeeze. From the numbers that I was seeing, I believe GameStop was about 141% short interest when that went off, and this is currently at 200% and growing. This has a destructive case going for it in a bull formation. If it doesn't actually get covered tomorrow, but the price stays the same or stays at least above $10 to $12, this would be going into a 3-day weekend because market is closed July 5th, Monday. And this could be a very long weekend for shorts where Tuesday could just see astronomical volume more coming in. And then we might be seeing a race for shorts to cover. So I estimate if the volume stays the same and the price goes as I plan for it to go, I am looking for shorts to either cover tomorrow on Friday or start covering next week on Tuesday. And either one of those is going to see a large movement in the price upwards. If shorts start covering tomorrow at these current levels and then buying starts coming in with people FOMOing, I can see this an easy 30 plus based on a squeeze. And then if we go into Tuesday with the stock pulled down some, it's going to be hard to say what the price could be, but I will obviously do an update on that based on what happens tomorrow. I've done a few videos on MRIN now, with the first one being the fundamentals and then me digging more into the short interest. This just looks like too much of an opportunity to pass up and cover because we had a few people in the Discord today that made thousands on just a squeeze that happened today. And if you play this carefully, this could have another potential gap up, if not more, as a multi-day runner if you know what you're looking for in the stock. Make sure you check out my other videos if you want some more analysis to see where my outlook has been, because I've predicted the action thus far. And other than that, that's going to do it for me in this video today, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.